How to change your email on Patreon. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change your email on Patreon. I want you to note that on Patreon you have two profiles, as a member and as a creator. For you to be able to change your email on Patreon, you have to ensure that you switch to your member account. How do you switch to your member account? By the lower left corner of the screen, you would see your status. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you will see your two profile, you as a creator and then you as a member. Once you note that the arrow is ticked next to the profile, that is, if the arrow that you can see here is ticked on the creators page, that means that you're on the creators page. So you just go ahead and select the membership page. Once you've selected it, you'll be brought to the membership page. Now, once you're on this page, by the left navigation menu, you will see a list of options such as reset, find creators, messages, notifications, and then settings. Click on settings. As you click on settings, you'll be directed to the settings page. Now, on this settings page, you're under in the menu, you would see basics, accounts, email notification, etc. Our focus is on basics. All right. Now in basic, you see your profile information, profile, your display name, and then you see your email. If you want to change it, just click on the box, delete this way, and then type in the email you want. So once you type in the email you want, go ahead and click on save. The save icon is located at the lower part of the screen. And then once you click on save, your email will be changed automatically. Very direct, quick, and easy. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.